Best RC Rally Cars. The demand for RC rally cars has surged as hobbyists and racers seek high-performance, durable, and realistic off-road machines. Whether you're into thrilling drifts, competitive racing, or rugged trail adventures, choosing the right RC car means finding the perfect blend of speed, control, build quality, and battery life. This guide reviews 5 of the best RC rally cars on Amazon, evaluating their design, power, handling, and overall value for enthusiasts.
Product number 1. Haiboxing Remote Control Car. 1/12 scale 4x4 RC Cars Protector, 38 plus kmph speed. The Haiboxing 1/12 scale RC car stands out as a powerhouse for both beginners and seasoned drivers. It reaches speeds of 38 plus kmph, powered by a robust 4WD system and a 2.4 GHz remote control for stable, interference-free driving. Its shock-absorbing suspension and high-grip tires make it perfect for conquering gravel, grass, or pavement with ease. The inclusion of 2 rechargeable batteries extend runtime, ensuring longer play sessions without interruption. Built from high-quality ABS plastic and metal components, this RC truck is both durable and lightweight, ideal for intense outdoor fun. Whether it's a gift for kids or a weekend toy for adults, the Haiboxing offers exceptional value, control, and rugged performance.
Product number 2. Hypergo 14301V3 1/14th RTR brushless RC drift car with gyro, max 38 miles per hour fast RC cars for adults. For those craving precision drifting and high-speed excitement, the Hypergo 14301V3 delivers top-tier performance. Equipped with a brushless motor, it hits speeds up to 38 miles per hour, offering lightning-fast acceleration and responsiveness. Its built-in gyro system ensures smoother cornering and control, especially on slick or uneven surfaces. The 4WD all-road system handles both asphalt and dirt effortlessly, while the durable chassis and oil-filled shocks absorb impact during aggressive driving. Its RTR, ready-to-run, setup means you can hit the road right out of the box. Sleek design details, bright LED lights, and long battery life make it an excellent choice for adults who want a professional feel without a steep learning curve. Overall, the Hypergo V3 combines power, precision, and performance, a perfect balance for RC drift enthusiasts.
Product number 3. Amoril 1/10 RTR brushless fast RC cars for adults, max 50 miles per hour hobby electric off-road monster truck. The Amoril 1/10 brushless RC truck is designed for serious speed lovers, reaching an incredible 50 miles per hour. Its brushless motor system offers unmatched efficiency and raw power, ideal for hobbyists seeking competition-level performance. The waterproof electronics let you drive through mud, snow, or puddles worry-free, while the 4WD all-terrain suspension ensures stability even on rough terrain. Its sturdy metal drive shafts and heavy-duty tires enhance durability, making it ready for any challenge. The proportional throttle and steering give precise control, while the RTR design means minimal setup. Whether you're racing on-road or off, the Amoril offers one of the best speed-to-durability ratios on the market. A premium choice for adults, this RC monster truck is pure adrenaline in motion, combining power, precision, and resilience in one stunning package.
Product number 4. MJX Hypergo 14303 1/14 Citroen C3 fast RC cars for adults, max 40 miles per hour brushless RC drift car with gyro. The MJX Hypergo 14303 Citroen C3 is a sleek rally-style drift car that pairs realism with power. With its brushless motor pushing speeds up to 40 miles per hour, it performs like a full-scale rally car in miniature form. The integrated gyro stabilization keeps it steady during high-speed drifts, while the 4WD layout enhances traction on any surface. Its scale Citroen C3 rally design adds authenticity, appealing to collectors and racers alike. Built with a metal chassis, oil shocks, and high-grip tires, it's engineered for both looks and performance. The RTR configuration and adjustable settings make it beginner-friendly yet advanced enough for experienced RC drivers. Combining style, speed, and precision handling, the MJX Hypergo C3 delivers a true rally experience in compact form, perfect for racing fans who appreciate engineering excellence.
Product number 5. 112 RC Rally Car Fastmax 50 miles per hour, drift car with gyro 4x4. For ultimate speed and control, the 112 RC Rally Car Fastmax 50 miles per hour offers professional-grade performance in a stylish, ready-to-run package. Its 4x4 drivetrain and gyro-assisted stability system ensure precise handling even at top speeds of 50 miles per hour. The brushless motor provides smooth power delivery, while the robust aluminum chassis keeps it stable during aggressive racing and jumps. Oil-filled shocks and rubber tires make it capable of tackling both on-road drifts and off-road challenges. The long-lasting rechargeable lithium-ion batteries provide impressive runtime, perfect for extended racing sessions. With its balance of raw speed, durability, and control, this rally car is ideal for adults who crave excitement and technical finesse. It's not just fast, it's built for performance that truly stands out in the world of RC rally cars.